Hello everyone, welcome back to the Scrap and Stamp YouTube channel. It's Jess here, and today I'm sharing a swoon-worthy Valentine's Day card featuring Avery, Elle, and Heffy Doodle. As always, I'll have all the links in the description box below. Let's get started. We're going to start by inking up this adorable dragon from the Avery Elle mini stamp set Dragon Love. Today we're going to be using Spectrum Noir TriBlend markers. I love these markers because they've got all three blends in one pen, taking all the guesswork out of color combinations. When I'm coloring small images, I like to go from darkest to lightest, moving between colors in small circular motions. Once I'm happy with the blend, I'll go in and add highlights if necessary. For today's image, we actually used only 3 markers. We used the Jade blend, the Doll Green blend, and the Purple blend. Once we're finished coloring, it's time to die cut out the image with the coordinating die. I like to use Heffy Memo tape just to secure everything in place. Now that our dragon's all ready to go, it's time to work on the card front. I went ahead and die cut 2 A2 size stitched rectangles. We're going to be doing some ink blending, and I wanted to frame the blended background with the Fancy Nancy frames from Heffy Doodle. In an attempt to keep my workspace clean, I grabbed my make station, and we're going to ink blend Wilted Violet, Picked Raspberry, and Spun Sugar. As I'm laying down each color, I go back and forth between the pinks and the purples to kind of eliminate any harsh lines that might be happening. Once we're happy with the blend, it's time to react the ink. I'm going to go ahead and grab my water brush, gently adding water droplets and dabbing away with paper towel. With our background complete, it's time to work on the sentiment. I'm going to go ahead and stamp the XOXO on the balloon that came with the Dragon Love stamp set. And then for the main sentiment, I'm going to stamp Be My Valentine, My Heart Belongs to You Today and Always, which is from the Heffy Doodle Special Day Sentiment Duos. And now we can adhere everything together. And now all that's left is adding coordinating sequins. And here's our card. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time.